Eat it.
Do you see it?
Bella's like, finally.
Where'd it go?
See that? It's on Bella's foot.
Is it really? Oh. Bella, leave it alone.
Bella. No. Leave it alone, Bella. Grab onto it, Ron.
Vivian, do you want it on your shoulder?
You want it on your shoulder? Let's see if you'll get on there. There he is.
Oh, look at Riley. You got a pet grasshopper on your shoulder.
What's his name? What are you going to name him?
I think we've been calling him Mr. Hopper already.
Mr. Hopper. Yeah.
Oh, look at you. Do you like that on your shoulder? Vivian, is that the funniest thing all day?
Yeah.